Hello and welcome back to Ashley U Life. In today's class, we're going to try out this Ionic straightener brush. So I just washed my hair last night and I let it air dry while I slept. I don't know about you, but I love Amazon Lightning deals. And while I was shopping for Christmas time, an Amazon Lightning deal popped up that I just had to have. It was an Ionic straightener brush, which I do not have and I've never played with before. And I think it's Keeou. Keeou. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it, and I tried to look it up online and there was no help. So we're going to test this out. It has really good reviews on Amazon, but I guess we'll see. Okay, it came with little instructions, a little clip, a little brush, which I'm not sure what that's for, and a clip. Let's plug it in. I was looking at this and I was like, how am I supposed to tell the temperature of it? I don't see anything, but you have to hold down this little button, the second button down. It has a little power symbol on it. 1, 2, 3. It says 300. If I push the up arrow, it goes to 340 and then 375. So there's only 3 temperature ranges. So I'm gonna go to the lowest one just to start because my hair is thinner. So while it's heating up, this little brush is to clean it. So I guess when it's off and not hot, you use this to clean. So I'm just gonna clip my hair up so I can start on the bottom. I have out of control hair, right? And then it's completely heated when this red number, the temperature, stops blinking. I'm nervous, I don't know what I'm doing. I've never done this before. Well, look at that. That's pretty straight. Okay, okay. Well, I mean, you really can't say it doesn't work because look at this side and look at this side, you know? And that was pretty easy. That is pretty straight. Okay, let's do the other side. Well, look at that. I kind of want to keep this hair separated, so I'm going to clip it. And use this other clip to clip this. I mean, look how straight that is. Look at that. That's so crazy. I'm going to tease my hair like I normally do and normally style it, and then we can talk from there. Okay, so I always check the back of my head. It's pretty straight. Well, you saw what my hair started out like, and now it looks like this, which I think looks pretty good, to be honest. And it's really easy. So if you're not a fan of the flat iron, I would kind of highly suggest this. This worked so well. Now, I don't know how well it's gonna work on like day 2, day 3 hair, just because as you see, I tease my hair and I do stuff to it. So I'm wondering if I'd be able to straighten it as easily with day 2 hair, you know what I mean? But I mean, for a fresh wash and straightening your hair, I feel like it did a really good job. My hair feels soft. It didn't feel damaging at any point. I would just make sure that your hair is brushed and has no knots in it before you use this. I mean, this will comb through it, but when you're going through slow like that with the heat, it's best to have no tangles in the way. Otherwise you're gonna like, you know, rip some hair out. This is the same effect as if you were to have a comb in your hair right before the flat iron's gonna go through it to get that really sleek look. Otherwise, when you flat iron your hair, you're kind of just like flattening down pieces. Even if there's even like a little bend, you're just flattening the bend. You know what I mean? So this really gets in there. I don't know. I didn't know what I was expecting from this, but I was hoping it would work, and it worked. So I think it's pretty cool. If you're in the market for a new straightening tool, or you just like to try out new fun things like I do, I would highly recommend this. I'll link below the Amazon link. Again, this was a lightning deal, so I feel like I got it for, I want to say $12 to $15. And that's why I bought it, because I was like, what? I was like, $12 to $15, I can spend that to try this. And online right now, when I looked last night, it was about $35. So still not a really bad price for something that like actually works. And if you are not a fan of flat iron, I feel like you're really gonna love this. So I would definitely give it a try. And I am so glad that I did. But before you log on to Amazon, make sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class.